Yeah, hi. Butt enhancement pills are no stranger to this channel, so if you have a problem with that, I suggest you leave the chat. Okay, great. And for the rest of you who subscribed for my weight gain topics, a lot of y'all wouldn't even know me if it wasn't for those. My analytics is here to prove it. Yes, this is a paid sponsorship with Gluteboost, but just know that as always, I will always give my honest and true opinions about everything and anything that I review on this channel, guys. Gluteboost is basically a brand that promotes all of their supplements, which contains natural ingredients that are going to help improve your hormonal balance and your curves, specifically growing your butts. Because I know a lot of you guys still are looking for something that fits your lifestyle to help you naturally grow a butt. Genetics play a major role in this. I'm just gonna put that out there, but so does your diet, and so does your hormonal balance, okay? All of these things do play a role in how much results you're gonna get in a shorter span of time. I literally thought they were gonna send me a cute little bottle of their products and that was it, like some brands do. But they gave me a lot more and I was just like, oh, that's so cute. So here's me opening up my box from Gluteboost. So first thing I'm looking at is a scalp massager. No, it says Bum Boutique on here. And this would be nice to just, you know, meditate them cheeks. Next is BootyDream dietary supplements that may support the perfect booty. I like that they say may, because they're not claiming false things here. There's actually 30 caps in here. They recommend taking it for breakfast or in a protein shake, and I think I'm just gonna wait till the morning. But I'm curious what it looks like though. Hang on. Okay, so they just look like the other booty pills I've tried. There's nothing fancy about them. There, are you happy now? Great. This next thing says Star Skin, and it's a cellulite reduction roller. Anyway, this is up. Ooh. We need to put that away. I don't think this is. I'm trying to make sure I'm reading the description of this. No, this is for cellulite. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, these are all cute colors. Look at the colors, they're pretty. They really went all out. Do y'all see this? This is the maca stack, result enhancing pure maca root formula. That's crazy. Do you see this? They legit have maca powder products. Listen, I told y'all heard it first on my channel. The next thing they got me was the Titan Plump Hydrate cream. It doesn't really say cream, but I'm assuming it's like a cream. You have to do this for 6 months, twice a day. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do my best to be as on top of this as I can. I'm trying to get the widest part of my hips. So if you guys are like wondering why I'm starting there, that's where you normally want to measure your hips. 44 inches right there. I'm shocked because I remember starting at 32 inches 2 years ago, and here we are. I basically was working on my glutes for about a month using their products, and I was also using the resistance bands. Guys, I've shown myself using resistance bands since I started working on my glutes because it's such a vital part of activating your glutes. If you're not using resistance bands, are you really trying to grow your butt? Not to say you need them to do that, but I do think it makes a major difference. At least for me, I definitely feel my glutes contracting and I get that mind to muscle connection way faster when I'm activating my glutes, and I don't even need to do it for too long. So in the very beginning of my weight gain journey, I was using these super duper cheap Amazon like resistant bands, and my Chun-Li legs have claimed the lives of 2, so I am definitely not into the like flimsy rubbery ones. So when I saw these resistant bands, I was so happy because I knew I was actually gonna use them and not hold back, because that's one thing I kind of caught myself doing. After the first time a resistance band that's rubber pops in your face, it was like the most horrifying thing. Like, I literally screamed the second time it happened to me. I was doing so good in the very first week or 2 weeks of taking everything consistently every day. But then after that, I kind of like got, I don't know, sidetracked, distracted, I couldn't even tell you. And so I kind of had days where I didn't take the supplements every day. Now let's talk about BootyDream. These names are great. I have to laugh when I say them out loud. But guess what the main ingredient is of BootyDream? Just guess. Maca root powder is their main ingredient in this. Y'all know me, I've been talking about maca root powder for probably what, 2 years now? Because I really believe in it, but not only that, there's so many things that it does well for you. Bodybuilders take it, people who take it, maybe that just need like a natural energy booster versus coffee or something. I just love maca root powder, so when I saw that, I was really happy. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, maca root powder is an insanely nutrient-packed superfood. It's gonna help you with equalizing your hormones, it's gonna help you with muscle gain, and also boosting your energy. There's so many other things that it does. You also have dong quai, saw palmetto, fenugreek, and wild yam as ingredients as well. I remember seeing those ingredients in some other products I've reviewed before. They formulated it right, but does it work? This is not gonna be for anyone who wants like a quick result, instant gratification experience. This is not it. Don't expect this to do anything for you unless you are doing the main things like eating right, working out, period. And when I say working out, lift heavy. Lift heavy to where you can't do more than 10 reps of a set within one set. I would honestly say 8. So that way you have enough reps in each set and enough sets in each exercise. I personally use this all over my glutes and my legs and my thighs. Everything just felt so much more like relaxed. Now, I probably will try this after this video and I will probably leave a comment down below how it works out. But I think I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and I know it sounds weird, but I wanna see how it will feel cold, almost frozen, because it does feel really good when I just leave it out in my room at room temperature and it's like cold at first. But yeah, even if you don't have this, guys, just use anything. Take hot Epsom salt baths and massage your glutes because it's gonna help promote blood circulation, which is what you want, especially when your muscles are recovering. I have been told my DOMs are really intense, and I really think that they are. I'm not sure why, but I drink a lot of water, so I know it's not because I'm dehydrated. I still feel like my DOMs are unnecessarily uncomfortable, like sore as hell. But also they give you a BootyDream cream, which I think you can use to massage into your glutes, maybe the same day or the next day after working out, it doesn't matter, but you are supposed to use this every day. Used it every day, I remembered, but I didn't use it every day. This is definitely a thicker cream than say Bath & Body Works cream. You can see, it's like this, and this is the viscosity. Oops. It's pretty thick. It's not the thickest, but it's definitely thicker than like your watery lotions. And it's gonna definitely make you feel more hydrated on your glutes. I'm just gonna put it on me right now because I don't know what to do with this lotion. Definitely use this after the shower when your skin is still damp because it does lock in the moisture and helps keep it nice and soft, so you don't have to worry about rehydrating till like the morning, next day or whatever. Now it claims to help improve the texture of your skin around your glutes. It's always nice to have that just in case, like say you do have really watery lotions and you don't really feel like you need your whole body to be doused in something thick and heavy, but you want your glutes too. Personally, my skin loves really thick lotions like this, so this is perfect for girls like me who have dry skin everywhere. The maca stack is next, and this is what I also took every single day along with my BootyDream supplement. You can take maca multiple times throughout your day. I definitely wouldn't take more than what's recommended for you on the packages of these things because clearly that would be abusing the supplements, and it's not the same as abusing drugs, but you just don't want to do that. Your body doesn't need too much of anything. I just kind of say that for people who might be worried about taking too much maca in one day. There's definitely not going to be a reaction if you're taking something like this naturally, from my experience at least. So just know that you're good. Maca does cause an increase of your libido. Basically, you're going to be horny, and there's really not a whole lot you can do about that, but plan your parenthood, that's all I can say. After I experienced that, I also noticed my Tia and Tamara's was feeling extra full and extra swollen. So I was like, okay, there it is again. I remember this. Okay, cool. So I think it kind of encourages, water retention in your Tia and Tamara. Now, the verdict. I have not measured my hips since I started taking these supplements because I wanted to honestly get a real reaction on footage for y'all. So I'm kind of nervous because I'm scared. I haven't worked out in like a week, not a couple of weeks, but just in like a week. So I'm scared it's gonna be like the same for that reason. And I would never attribute anything solely based on these things that I'm reviewing, of course. So just keep in mind, like this could be because of a lot of things, all right? So I'm gonna use their cute little measuring tape that they gave me and see my results. Here we go. Oh my God, shut up. Shut up. Wait, hold on. Are you serious? If I'm relaxed, which I am, and I'm standing close together, which I am, y'all can't see my feet right now, but you can tell because like, I'm not standing far apart, so it's not adjusting the measurement of my hips. We have 44 inches and 3/4 of an inch. That was unexpected. The reason why I'm so surprised is because I never thought I would even hit 44 inches. I just came back and weighed myself and I'm like 1 pound lighter than I was when I first started this whole this whole 30-day glute supplement by Gluteboost. And like I told y'all, I didn't take these every day. If you are working out and you're eating right and you take these supplements, you might see a little something. You might see a little change. I'm not gonna promise you anything. You have to try it for yourself and see. Now I'm about to be on my lady time of the month. So there's a lot of water retention. The beginning of this video, I was like, man, there's gonna be no results. Because when you're looking at your body every single day, everything looks the same. I do have a discount code and an affiliate link below if you guys wanna purchase anything. That means so much to me if you do. Let me know how you like your results if you end up trying it. If you have any questions either that me or my sponsor can answer, I'm sure we can down below in the comment section. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you can. Follow me on Instagram. I do post every now and then on there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.